From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a boring alarm clock? Well, wake up to the electronic alarm clock mute bedroom bedside from Bedside. This game-changing device is about to take your mornings to the next level. This top-rated smart alarm clock is a bestseller for a reason. With its sleek white plastic shell and big screen LCD digital display, you'll be able to see the time from across the room. The simple and intuitive design makes it easy to set and adjust your alarms, and the battery power means you don't have to worry about cords or outlets. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The benefits are endless. For one, the digital display is super easy to read, even in the dark, and the alarm sound is gentle but effective, waking you up feeling refreshed and alert. Plus, the mute function means you can silence the alarm with just the touch of a button. No more fumbling in the dark to turn it off. This alarm clock is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and easy-to-use device. Whether you're a heavy sleeper or a light sleeper, this clock has got you covered. Imagine being able to wake up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to take on the day. That's what this alarm clock can offer. And the best part? It's so easy to use. You can set it up in just a few minutes, and its compact design means it won't take up too much space on your bedside table. So why settle for a boring, basic alarm clock when you can have a smart, high-tech device that will make your mornings better? Get your hands on the electronic alarm clock mute bedroom bedside from Bedside today and start waking up to a better tomorrow. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.